Good morning, everybody. My name is Agenda. Today, I want to speak on ORISA OKO, the Orisha that has to do with agriculture and its business. If you are planting, if you are into farming, you need ORISA OKO. If you are rearing animal, you need ORISA OKO. Why? ORISA OKO is an Orisha that deals with agriculture. ORISA OKO will make sure that if you have chicken animals, your animals are not going to die. Nobody can send any evil spirits to come and kill your animal. Because I've seen a lot of poultry farmers complain about their animals dying off. They wake up in the morning and then all the animals are dead. If you have ORISA OKO, nobody can do that nonsense with you. If they try it, they're going to pay with their life. ORISA OKO, in the olden days, ORISA OKO used to be on the farm. It used to be at the entrance of all farm or at the center of the farm. Now, this issue of Fulani Asman that we are having today, it has been in existence for some time. But because our forefathers are feeding and worshipping ORISA OKO, it used to protect their farm. In those days, anytime Fulani Asman are coming with their cattle, and they noticed that ORISA OKO is on the farm, we used to have his shrine at the entrance of the farm, like I said. They will not go to that farm because they know that if they should enter that farm, all the cattle will die. And when the cattle are dead, they did not burn anybody well to carry away that cattle. That cattle will ferment and turns to manure for the land. So having ORISA OKO on the farm is a no-go area for cattle area, so they don't go there. Now everybody has decided to leave ORISA OKO, and everybody is doing into agriculture. Without ORISA OKO, what you are planting is not going to bring out good fruit. Even if it brings out good fruit, there's no possibility that you're going to see any profit there. Because look at this current situation of the country now, everybody is going into agriculture. I can tell you that 60% of everybody that are planting are not going to see anything. Because ORISA OKO is a very strict Orisha that has to do with agriculture and its business. Whether you're having agro-based industry or you are into farming or whatever it is that has to do with agriculture, ORISA OKO is the Orisha in charge of farming. Now, in Nigeria, I don't think we still have ORISA OKO, but there are some people that still have ORISA OKO. In Oyoili, is saying inside. But presently, ORISA OKO is very famous in India and Philippines because these two countries are very, very good in agriculture. ORISA OKO is very, 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 very common in India and Philippines because this country, they're very versatile, and they're doing well in agriculture. Now, if we want to improve agriculture in this country, then we need to remember that ORISA OKO is an Orisha that has to do with agriculture. Now, if I have ORISA OKO on my farm, like I said, no cattle area, deers come to the farm. No Fulani man will bring his cattle to come and eat what I've planted. Why? Because as ORISA OKO doesn't like cheating. ORISA OKO doesn't like farmers not to make profit. He will make sure that that farmer sees his money back. That is ORISA OKO for you. So if a Fulani man decided to bring his cattle onto my farm and they want to eat my crop, all the animals will die. All of them will die without remaining anyone. They will die. And that Fulani man is not going to carry any animal away from that farm. Because if you touch that animal, you will also pay with his life. ORISA OKO is a very strong Orisha. When I was rearing birds, when I was in their breeding, I used to brood chicken and set them off. When I was rearing birds, I invited ORISA OKO. Brooding is not easy. Sometimes when I doze off, I will dream of my chicks speaking to me that the lamb is almost off, I will wake up, rush to the breeding house, add more charcoal to the charcoal. Charcoal is an orisha. You know, we can't do without him. Not even in this era that everybody must be a farmer. My name is Ajinla.